Hello and welcome. We're going to take a closer look at the Indian Institute of Handloom Technology in Salem. Now, if you're gearing up for engineering admissions through TNEA, there's a one code you'll want to remember for this one, 2343. So with hundreds of engineering colleges out there, what's so special about this one? Let's dive right into what makes this institute a really unique choice.
Okay, first things first, it's specialization. If you're looking for a B.Tech in Handloom and Textile Technology, this is it. It's literally the only institute in all of South India that offers this degree. I mean, that level of focus is just incredibly rare.
And here's the second crucial point, especially for parents listening in. This is not a private college. It's a central government institute running directly under the Ministry of Textiles. That's a huge indicator of stability, quality, and, national importance. Now, this central government backing isn't something new. The institute has a really rich history that has built its identity over decades. Let's take a quick look at that legacy. So the story starts all the way back in 1960. It was inaugurated by none other than the great Shri K. Kamaraj, who was the chief minister of Tamil Nadu at the time. A few years later, in 1975, it came directly under the government of India in New Delhi. And then, more recently, in 2015, it took a huge step forward, evolving from offering diplomas to launching its flagship 4-year B.Tech program. And to give you an idea of just how deep its roots go, get this. The campus itself is on a site called Falk's Compound, which has a documented history stretching back over 2 centuries. So you're not just joining a college, you're becoming part of a place that has a real story. Okay, so you're interested. The big question is, how do you get in? Let's break down the admission details for their B.Tech program. Right, for all you students applying through Tamil Nadu Engineering Admissions, or TNEA, the most important number to remember is this one, 2343. That's the official code for IIHT Salem. Don't forget it. The program is very focused with an intake of just 60 students a year. Now that small batch size is a massive advantage, because it means every single student gets personal attention from the faculty. So how are these 60 seats filled? Well, it's a simple 50-50 split. 30 seats are for Tamil Nadu students through TNEA counseling. And the other 30 seats make up the All-India quota, filled based on JEE main ranks through the national JOSA counseling process.
And yes, for that all-important peace of mind, the B.Tech program is fully approved by the All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, for the upcoming academic year. So that's all sorted.
All right, let's move on to the campus experience. Beyond the classroom, what kind of support and community can you expect at IIHT Salem? Okay, now this is a really unique benefit. Check this out. Because it's a central government institute, the Ministry of Textiles provides a stipend of 3,000 rupees every single month to every single B.Tech student. That is a major, major advantage that you just won't find in most places. And on top of that stipend, students can also access a whole range of government scholarships. You've got state-level schemes for SC, ST, BC, MBC, DNC, and first graduate students, plus central schemes for minority and OBC students. So there's a lot of financial support available. The campus itself is a pretty spacious 40-acre property right inside Salem City. It offers plenty of green space, which is great for both your studies and, just relaxing. For students coming from out of town, the college is well prepared. There are 2 separate hostels for boys and 2 for girls. The mess is actually managed by the students themselves, and a doctor visits the campus twice a week for medical checkups, which is very reassuring. And life here isn't just about the books. The sports facilities are pretty impressive. The campus has everything from a football and cricket ground to basketball, volleyball, athletics, and a bunch of indoor games too, so it really supports a well-rounded experience. But let's be honest, at the end of 4 years, it all comes down to career prospects. So where does a specialized degree like this take you? What kind of jobs are we talking about? The career paths are both diverse and very stable. Graduates get placed in key government bodies like Weavers Service Centers and state directorates of handlooms. They also get jobs in major cooperative societies like co-op techs, not to mention private export houses, processing mills, and quality labs. And the roles they step into are central to the industry. You could start as a production executive, a merchandiser, a designer, or a quality controller, all with a very clear path to moving up into supervisory and managerial positions. This degree is basically a direct pipeline to these specialized jobs. What's also really cool is that the institute is a hub of innovation. Its R&D wing is always working on improving textile technology, from developing better looms to perfecting really complex weaving techniques. This focus on practical research keeps the students and the curriculum right at the cutting edge. Just so you know, all the information in this explainer is based on what's available on the college's official website and government portals at the time we put this together. We always recommend you double-check key details directly with the institute.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.